Welcome back to Explore Error. In this very short video, we are going to show how you can enable cookies on Google Chrome. For this, first open the Google Chrome browser, and at the top right corner, you will see the three dots. Click on them, and then go to Settings. Now, once you are inside Settings, on the left-hand side, you will see many options, and here you need to click on Privacy and Security. After clicking on that, on the right-hand side, you will see options like Clear Browsing Data and Cookies and Other Site Data. So here, you need to click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Now, once you are in the general settings, you will see options like Allow All Cookies, Block Third-Party Cookies in Incognito, Block Third-Party Cookies, and Block All Cookies, which is not recommended. So in Google Chrome, if it is set to block or block all, what you can do is select Block Third-Party Cookies in Incognito. Also, make sure that the option Clear Cookies and Site Data when you close all windows is not turned on. If it is turned on, like this, you can turn it off because by default, it is usually turned off. Now, if your Google Chrome is not updated and you are not seeing these options, what you can do is click on About Chrome. The moment you click on that, Google Chrome will start updating automatically. After the update, close and reopen the browser, and then go again to Privacy and Security. Here, you can also check if Chrome is up to date, version 96.0.4664.110 official build. So I hope this very short video has helped you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.